Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a high-tech product that promises to tackle hair loss, the Laser Hair Growth Cap TW147. This level laser therapy LLLT device is designed to help both men and women regrow their hair by stimulating the scalp with 650nm laser diodes. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's see if it lives up to its claims and how it measures up in real-world use. Now, let's break it down. The Laser Hair Growth Cap TW147 is essentially a helmet-like device that emits low-level red light to stimulate hair follicles. It's designed to combat androgenetic alopecia, or pattern baldness, and has been clinically tested to be safe and effective for promoting hair regrowth. It features 650nm laser diodes, which is a common wavelength used in red light therapy for its ability to penetrate the scalp and encourage cellular activity in hair follicles. The cap comes with a plastic outer shell and a protective inner liner, which houses the electronics and laser arrays. It's powered by a battery pack, which makes it fairly portable. The device also includes a sports cap for comfort and a charging cable. You're instructed to wear it 3 times a week for 30 minutes per session, with results generally visible after about 16 weeks. I tested this cap over a period of several weeks, following the recommended usage guidelines. First impressions? It's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to use. I simply placed it on my head, ensuring the lasers were positioned over my scalp, and turned it on. The cap is a bit bulky, but not uncomfortable. It's more of a set-it-and-forget-it situation. Once it's on, you can carry on with your day, making it a hassle-free addition to your routine. In terms of effectiveness, I did notice that after several weeks, the appearance of my hair felt fuller. However, the progress was gradual, and I haven't yet seen drastic results. It's important to note that results can vary widely depending on the severity of hair loss and consistency of use. That said, the ease of incorporating it into my routine was a major plus. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, the cap is easy to use, and its portability is fantastic. It's lightweight, comfortable, and doesn't require you to sit still for long periods. You can go about your daily tasks while using it. The design is sleek, and the inclusion of the sports cap adds a nice touch for added comfort. On the flip side, it's a time investment. You need to wear it consistently 3 times a week for at least 16 weeks to see the best results. It can also feel a bit awkward at first, especially when you're not used to wearing something on your head while moving around. Additionally, the price might be a consideration for some, but more on that later. As for value for money, it really depends on your budget and how committed you are to using it regularly. The price point for this device is higher than topical treatments like serums or shampoos, but it's in line with other laser therapy devices. Considering that it can be used for several months or even years, and that it's clinically tested, it does seem like a reasonable investment if you're serious about regrowing your hair. In comparison to similar products, the Laser Hair Growth Cap TW147 holds up fairly well. Some competitors are a bit pricier, while others may have less advanced technology or fewer features. If you're looking for a solid, mid-range option that offers convenience and effectiveness, this could be a good choice. The build quality is solid. The plastic is sturdy, and the electronics inside seem well protected by the inner liner. The cap feels durable, and as long as you follow the usage instructions, it should last a good while. As for longevity, since it's a non-invasive treatment, it's safe to use in the long term, and it doesn't seem to lose effectiveness with continued use. In terms of customer support, the brand has a reputation for being responsive, although I didn't need to interact with them directly. It's always a good sign when the company behind a product has good customer service, especially with more specialized items like this one. Now, if you're thinking the price is a bit high for your budget, there are alternatives. Some laser caps and combs are priced more affordably, but keep in mind, they might not offer the same coverage or advanced laser technology. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you could explore lower-cost laser combs, but they may require more effort to use, and they often don't cover the scalp as effectively as a full cap. To sum it up, the Laser Hair Growth Cap TW147 is a great option for those who are looking for a more hands-off, consistent way to address hair loss. While the results take time and the device might feel a little bulky, it's easy to use and can be a solid long-term solution for hair regrowth. If you're willing to commit to the process and price, it could be well worth it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.